Feel like I finally understand what love is supposed to be. Simple truth and honesty. No rush running through the night. No pressure, everything light. Your eyes speak quietly, saying, boy, just stay with me. No games, no disguise, no fear in your eyes. Slow wine, slow jam, love done built on a better plan. Hold me slow, don't rush this love, let the rhythm guide us. Hold me slow, nice and easy, this is how love should be. Hold me slow, heart to heart, we don't need to tear apart. Hold me slow, stay with me, let love flow naturally. Morning light on your face, I feel peace in this place. Even silence sound like song when I'm where I belong. Every scar you ever had, every pain, every past, I don't judge, I don't run, I just love you as you are. No fear living in my chest, with you I'm at my best. No lies, no pretend, this love real till the end. Hold me slow, don't rush this love, let the rhythm guide us. Hold me slow, nice and easy, this is how love should be. Hold me slow, soul to soul, you make my broken parts feel whole. Hold me slow, stay with me, let love flow naturally. If the world starts falling down, your love keep me safe and sound. No storm, no rain, no night can kill this kind of life. Hold me slow, forevermore, you're the one I'm living for. Hold me slow, don't let go, this love strong,